Hi, welcome to past paper question session. Today we will be looking at parallelogram GCE all-level past paper question 2016. We will be analyzing right now. But the first question says in the triangle ABC shown in the figure ABC, right? The midpoint of the sides AB, right? AB is D, midpoint is D, and AC, right? Midpoint is E, right? E respectively, right? Midpoint means it's divided exactly into two, right? Exactly into two means ADB and DA are equal, right? Line DE produced meets the line through C, drawn parallel to BA. Say this one and this one are parallel, right? Parallel, drawn parallel to BA at F. This is drawn through this, and DE is produced means this word they use always. They use everywhere this word. Produced means extended, meets the line through C, right? Meets the line through C at F. So they have given the diagram. It's not difficult. Show ADE is congruent to CFE. So these two triangles, right? These two triangles, yes, triangle 1 and triangle 2, they are congruent. You have to show AE is equals to EC, right? AE equals to EC, right? That is one thing. Reason is given. Data, you can say always you have to give the reason, okay? Given. And then we have what is the other obvious reasons we have? AED, let's see, AED, right, is vertically opposite angle to CEF, right? So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. They are equal always, right? Right? Anything else is there? CFE. ADE is this guy, right? This one and this one, right? Alternate angles there. Why alternate angles? Because this is parallel lines going, yes. Then what's the reason for us to make these two triangles congruent? Two triangles congruent is there, right? AAS. But there is something special about this angle side. Means this, about the side we have to be very careful about the side. What's about that? What's that we have to take care of? Here side, it should be the side corresponding side, right? Corresponding side. That means here we can see this guy, right? Here this guy from this one. Here, right, this guy. So yes, correct. Corresponding side means equal, opposite side to the equal angle. Equal. So triangle, these two triangles are congruent, right? Now question is, join AF, right? They are saying story, huh? Join AF and DC and show that ADCF is a parallelogram, right? Join AF and DC to join, okay. Show that it is parallelogram. Can we show it is parallelogram? Triangle 1 and triangle 2, we were thinking of two triangles. These two triangles we said are congruent. Now we have proved that to be congruent. If we say congruent, right, congruent, yes, if you say congruent, then that means all the corresponding elements also will be equal, right? So we said this angle is equal to this angle, right? And we said the story here, this angle, right, this angle equals to this one, we said. So remaining ones also will be equal. That means important information for us is here, right? important information is this guy here. This one and this one will be equal, right? That one and that one will be equal. And also furthermore, these vertically opposite angles, opposite to that, this one is there, right? Here you can see this side and this side, right? DA and AC, right? DA and AC. So I will write down DA equals CF. DA equals CF, right? Reason is congruence. I am not writing, right? Opposite sides, one side equals, I have told. And also the theorem we said, one theorem we learned. Theorem says if the diagonals bisects each other, then that's going to be a parallelogram. DE equals EF. This is the important information, right? And also AE equals AC, AE equals AC, AE equals AC, right? So this means the diagonals are bisected clearly. So we can come to conclusion that ADCF is a parallelogram. So ADCF is a parallelogram we have shown. Now, next part of the question says on that, and that its area is equal to the area of triangle ABC. ADC and BDC are equal, right? We can say congruent. In area it's equal, it's half divided. Because it's divided, it's a midpoint exactly. Area of triangle ADC and area of triangle BDC are equal, right? How much we don't want, because it's exactly divided in the center. Reason is D's midpoint, but we know that very clearly, right? As per our theorems, ACF, triangle ACF and DAC are equal in area, right? Because we said the diagonal of parallelogram will bisect the area. The word is bisect the area. The particular word was there. So this we have proved that it is to be parallelogram. So AC will bisect the area of parallelogram into half, equals to half the parallelogram, correct? Half the parallelogram. So these two are equal, right? Full area will be equal to the full area of parallelogram. So I will go to the next part of the question. I did not write all the steps. Steps you have to write down. Steps you have to tell that this triangle is equal to this triangle, right, in area. And also the ABC triangle is divided into two. These two are equal. So all the these triangles are equal, means area of ABC equals to area of ADCF. You have to write down that. If DE and AE equal, then ADC is 90. If this DE is equals to AE, then you have to tell this ADC is 90. What's the way out for that? Any idea? That means they're saying if DE equals to AE means DAE and triangle DAE is an isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles triangle. This red and this one will be equal. These two angles will be equal, correct? So I will take them to be, right, X, right? Just I'm taking as X. This is the reason now we can see as we were trying X, we are putting, right, X. This is X, right? Is correct. And we did not know this we took as Y, right? So that means this is going to be another Y. Why it is Y? Because they gave this to be DE equals AE. DE equals AE. That means DE and EC are equal, right? This way. So these two are Y, right? So that will give us, right, all together x plus y plus, if you add x plus y plus y, right, equals 180, right? So that means x plus y, 2x plus 2y equals 180. So x plus y equals to 90 degrees. So that's the answer. X plus y equals to 90 degrees was the thing that they wanted to show. Important information that they used here is this one. Here DE equals AE, DE equals AE, that they used, and also using that AE equals EC is already known. So DE equals EC we took. So this is Y means this is also Y, isosceles triangle. So so that's going to be all angles added 180. So x plus y is going to be 180. X plus y is going to be 90.